Hello, my name is Bianca. This is my first video. I am very excited to record this video on this YouTube channel. In this video, I want to draw Nami from One Piece in my digital art style. I will draw it on my tablet in Ibis Paint. At first, I wanted to draw Nami on the laptop in Krita, but personally, I didn't find it very interesting. Besides, on the tablet, it's like I'm drawing on a piece of paper and I like that kind of content better. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? Would you like to see me drawing Krita too? Okay, let's go into the video. I started to draw the sketch, I started to draw a circle, and I do a horizontal and vertical line to define the shape of the head, and to be able to draw the eyes, nose and the mouth. Anyway, when I was younger, I used to draw the eyes first and then define the shape of the head or face, because I used to draw the characters only from the front. Because I only drew from my imagination, because I believed that a true artist doesn't use reference or get inspired. But that's not true. It's good to use reference or to be inspired by others, on the internet or from the nature. I also have some examples here. There are some obsessions of mine. This one is Carla, but I don't know this one. I don't give it a name. I just drew it, but didn't think of a name. If you have any ideas, leave a comment with your ideas. But as you can see, Carla is very badly proposed. But I withdrew it in my currently style. I think I evolved a bit since then. But yeah, but these drawings are very old. Let's be serious. Drawing only from imagination, it's impossible. We all get inspired from others, from things we like. Maybe you saw something that stuck in your head, so draw what you like and what inspires you the most. Let's move on. I drew the first sketch and then I made the second so that it will be easier for me and line up. Maybe you are wondering why I choose to draw Nami. Well, I really like the color palette. Orange and blue go very well together, and blue is my favorite color. I think that's why I really like the color palette. I choose to draw Nami from the first episodes because I like her more when she had short hair, and short hair it's easier to draw. And I like drawing short hair. To be honest, I really like the wolf cut haircut. I was even thinking of doing it myself, but I love my long hair and I can decide maybe in the future. Anyway, I really wanted to ask how many of you have seen One Piece. I've seen all the episodes and I've seen the new one recently. And I want to say that the animation and the story of this anime were really cool and amazing. And I really enjoyed watching it. But the first anime I saw was Attack on Titan, and I liked it a lot, but it was also very sad. But One Piece is my favorite. I've seen many animes, even the movies. I really recommend two of them. I've already seen them. They are called Suzume and Your Name. They are very cool and the story is amazing. But yeah, One Piece is in first place in my top. This anime has everything. By the way, my favorite character is Ace. Tell me in the comments which one is yours. Anyway, back to the drawing. I finished making the second sketch and then the liner. For the background, I didn't do anything special. I kept everything exactly the same as in the reference. I added shades of green at the bottom of the drawing and the blue at the top. The clouds I drew were extremely simple and the palm trees as well. I drew one and the other one I copied because I was too lazy to draw the second one. And yeah, anyway, I added many shades of green to give the impression of the forest or something like that. I didn't make too many small or complicated details. As I said, I'm going to blur the background. I'm not very good at drawing backgrounds, but I do my best to make them look as good as possible. Anyway, in this drawing I focused more on the character, not in the background. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step to... And now I will add the basic colors, but before that I will cover the whole character with a single color. I will create a new layer and make a clipping mask, so I can color the inside of the mask. And now I will add the basic colors. For the next video I thought it would be interesting to draw Nico Robin, also from One Piece, in my style. I don't know, let me know in the comments what do you think, if you like my idea. but I would love to hear your ideas as well. So I was thinking about Robin because I like her, because she seems very mysterious and silent at the same time. She's very strong and I really like her story. It was very cool and so sad. I hope you understand me. I hope I explained well. Sorry for my bad English. I also want to say that I also have an Instagram page. I want to show you one more recent drawing of mine. This is Kane from League of Legends, from the new Heartsteel skins, but I won't talk about League of Legends now, maybe when I drew someone from there. In any case, if you want to see more drawings, please follow me on Instagram. There I will also make the votes for the new videos, and I will leave a link in description for you guys to check out my page. When I was drawing the face, I was a little confused. I didn't understand what I was doing at the moment. I keep ending nonsense, blending, and erasing from the sketch. I struggled a bit to draw the nose, but in the end I was pretty okay with it. So yeah, for hair I saw something interesting techniques, and I tried this technique. I really enjoyed drawing the hair. I had a lot of fun. Because she had orange hair, I decided to draw an orange in her hand to look more interesting, I guess. Anyway, when I was coloring her uniform, I wasn't sure what color to make it. At first, I wanted to make it green. I thought it would be perfectly suited, but in the end, I went blue. I think it goes well with orange hair. So yeah, I started adding the first shades before adding the blush on the cheeks, nose, eyes and lips. I really enjoy drawing eyes, and lips are my favorite part when I'm drawing characters. To be honest, I don't really know where the light is coming from. I made the light come on the front. I don't know, I used the reference, I think from the front, by the way, but the best part is when I add highlights to the eyes, nose and lips. As I said, the most interesting part was when I drew the hair. At last I really enjoyed. But let's talk later about the hair. I personally don't really like drawing hands. It looks hard to draw hands, but in this drawing I don't think I'm that bad. I mean, when I was a kid, I covered the character's hands because I didn't know how to draw them properly. Basically, I simply drew the slivers over the hands. I think I have an example. If I find it, I will put it on the screen. I don't like to draw hands, it seems very uncomfortable and difficult, but sometimes we have to get out of our comfort zone and try even harder. I know it's good to draw what we like at first, but when we want to move forward, we have to get out of our comfort zone, so yeah. Hands are among two things I don't like to draw. Like I said, I struggle with the nose, but I think it was okay. You know what's sad about this drawing? I forgot to add the eyelashes. I don't know how it happened, but I forgot. I was focused on drawing the eyes to make them glow. I usually don't forget to draw the eyelashes, but now I forgot. I don't know how. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side. Okay, so this drawing with Nami took 2 days. Here I filmed on the second morning. As you can see, it's the light from the window. The rest of the time I filmed this video at night. Anyway, this is not that important. I said that you can know how much time it took me to finish. So this drawing process took 2 days, but I think it was worth it. The drawing looks okay and I hope you like it too. I really having fun drawing this. Drawing the hair was a very satisfying part, adding shadows after the lights to give volume to the hair. In this drawing I try another technique. For drawing hair, I usually don't draw it like this, so I usually make it from many lines of different colors depending on the color of the hair. Like in this drawing with Kane, this is my style of drawing hair. But this style is not bad either, it is beautiful and simple to do. I brought the shadows where needed and then add light, and then I used the eraser to erase parts of the light. And that's all, if makes sense what I'm saying. I didn't do anything special to the clothes, I just added some shadows and small details, like in the scarf or the bow. I don't know exactly what to call it. I added the shades of blue to look better and give a nicer look. And for hand, I add the shades of blue as well. I think blue looks good when I draw skin. And under the neck, I add a shade of blue as well. I don't know, blue it just looks good on the skin. So yeah, here I would love to show you another drawing of mine. It is more of a study, like how to shade clothes. I wanted to experiment more with more vibrant colors and also capture this interesting light on the face. It was fun to draw this, and this was an interesting study. Okay, back to my drawing. I drew a few lines where needed on the uniform. I erased them from the sketch and redrew the lines better. I made some details on the hair and I bordered the light to the orange to make it look more good. And that's all about this drawing. So I want to remind you not to forget to follow me on Instagram page. There I will also post this drawing with Nami and many others, so don't forget to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support helps me a lot. Don't forget to press the bell on the right of the subscribe button to receive a notification when I post a new video. I want to thank you if you reached the end of this video.
Bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine.
And this is the final result. I hope you like it. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.